Friends, welcome to the crash course on linear algebra. Now in this course we are going to study the linear algebra. For this lecture there are various topics. First of the topic is two equations and two unknowns. How do we solve those? We will express those two equations and two unknowns into row picture, column picture and into matrix forms. Let us look what are our two equations are. Our two equations here are 2x minus y equals to 0 and minus x plus 2y equals to 3. Now you can solve these equations. You can put 2x equals to y, then our x will be y over 2. Now you can put the same minus y over 2 plus 2y equals to 3. In this way getting y equals to 2 and x equals to 1, but we will be seeing the row picture, column picture and the matrix form, as these are the basics of linear algebra. First we will look at the row picture. What we will be doing is plotting these two equations into an xy plane, and the point at which it intersects will be our answer. So this is the graph for the two equations. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is our first equation, 2x minus y equals to 0. Our second equation was minus x plus 2y equals to 3. So the point at which those two points intersect is our solution, x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Here our number of variables are x and y, but our variables can go from x1, x2 up to xn. So to solve this equation, it is not feasible using the row picture. Now let us look at the column picture. Now our equation was 2x minus y equals to 0 and minus x plus 2y equals to 3. So what we do is we take the variable x out, we write it in the form of a vector 2 minus 1. We take similarly for y, we take y out and we write it in the form of another vector minus 1 2. Now we need to just find the right combination of x and y to give us the result of 0 and 3. Now what we will be doing is plotting these two vectors. Our first vector is minus 1 and 2. What we will do is move minus 1 here plus 2 upside. For 2 and minus 1 we will move 2 in x-axis and minus 1 in y-axis. Now we need to find the values of this column so that we can reach at the point 0 and 3. Our final answer is 0 and 3. So this is the vector which is 0 3. Now we need the combination of this vector and this vector to reach at 0 3. Now for our first vector, what we can do is we can shift it here. So the addition of this and this vector will move us till here, but if we take twice of the first vector we will reach at the point 0 and 3. So one time of our 2 and minus 1 vector and 2 times of minus 1 and 2 will give us 0 and 3. Now you can use any other x and any other y to fill up the whole space in R2. So this is our plane. Now we add our vector here and the other vector was this one. Now you can take any combination of this vector and any combination of this vector to get any other vector. This vector you can get using the combination of this and this. You can get any other vector like this. Similarly all other vectors are possible. So you can take any value of x and y. This will give us a and b. So this was our column picture. Now let us look at the matrix form. Here our A is matrix, x is our vector and this is equals to the answer B. So A is our matrix, x is our vector. So our equation was 2x minus y equals to 0 minus x plus 2y equals to 3. Now we split it into the matrix and vector form. So our matrix takes on the value 2 minus 1 which is for this x, and minus 1 and 2 for this y, and we need x and y to give us 0 and 3. So first we need to know how do we multiply this vector. X is 1 and y is 2. These were our answers. We will first see how do we multiply this vector. So our answers were 1 and 2. These were the final answers. Now we will see how do we multiply those vectors. Now what we do is we write the matrix in the form of Ax. Our first row will multiply this first column. This second row is going to be in the second column. So we will write it as 1 times 2 and minus 1 plus 2 times minus 1 and 2. So this will give us 0 and 3. So these were the row picture, column picture in the matrix form. In the next lecture we will see further how it is used.